Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here as always. So today's video is going to be a wing review as well as showing you guys how you can actually lay your wing using the Echo Styler J. You guys, like, yo, this packaging come with a stocking cap and the wing. I already have one stocking cap on my head, as you can see, and this is the Freedom body wave hair. You guys, this hair is under $40. Can you beat that? This is under $40, and those wave, the coils are just so beautiful, and the hair doesn't really feels like a synthetic wing actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, cut the lace out. This is a middle part lace wing, and as you can see, I'm showing you guys right here, it does come with three combs. It has two combs by the side, one at the back, as well as an adjustable stripe you can use to adjust your wing to your taste. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out and put the wig on for you guys to see. All right. This track, oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. I love the fact that the pattern is very deep. Like, this is how I love my middle part hair. And yo, you guys, so I'm just going to put that on and let you guys see how it looks on me. Can you see how gorgeous these waves are? Like, looking at this hair alone, you can't really tell it's a synthetic wig. Like, I'm so in love with the color and the way the wig just looks flat at the top. Like, this is actually how I love my wig. So if you look clearly, as you can see that my stocking cap is showing right there, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundations on my stocking cap as well as the hair, and I'll be right back, you guys. So right now I'm just taking my face powder and applying that on the lace part area of my wing. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just apply that face powder on the parting area. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wing. Like, don't forget, we are using the Echo Style Gel to lay this wing. Like, so you guys, as you can see, you can no longer see that annoying stocking cap under this wig. So right now I'm just going to try and take out some hair from the parting area, just that I want to make sure the parting area looks more natural. So here I'm just using my tweezer to twist out some hair from the parting area, and so after tweezing I'm going to go ahead and cut out the lace from the wing. So you guys, we have not even laid this wig and it's already feeling like we already laid it. Like, can you see how natural it's looking already? So right now I'm just going to take my Echo Styler gel and start applying this around my hair, you guys. Like, what actually makes me do this was that I didn't have my got to be freeze free right here with me, as well as my ghost bond. I didn't have anything like that. Even my air dryer, I did not have anything like that with me right here. So I decided to give this a try and it worked. So just watch me as I do this. So you guys, after laying the wing, I went ahead and tied the hair down using my hair scarf, and I allowed this to actually air dry. Like I said before, I didn't have my hair dryer here with me, so when doing this, make sure you have your hair dryer with you. Just kind of, tie the hair down, use your hair dryer to blow dry the hair, and yeah. So right here I went ahead and lay my baby hair, and after which I applied some powder on my parting area just to make it more vibrant, and this parting was just kind of so tiny for my liking, so I wanted it to look bold, and I went ahead and applied my face powder, and yeah, it worked. Can you see how natural this is looking right now? So after which I went ahead and tied my hair down again with a scarf, just because my hair is not yet dry. So I'm just going to allow this to sit for some minutes, and I'm taking out the scarf right now, and I grab my Cantu leave-in conditioner and apply some of that on my hair, and yeah, just as I'm doing right here, you guys.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for.
So at this point, I was feeling myself, like I couldn't really believe that it really worked. Like, to be honest, I couldn't believe myself right here. Like, you see, my hair is popping, my edges are on fleek, and I slayed this unit, you guys. And I'm so proud right here. And yeah, this is me putting on contact lenses. Like, this was actually the first time of me putting on contact lenses, and I'm still going to leave the link down on the description, so in case you want to get one for yourself. And yeah, this unit is bomb, you guys. I am so feeling this hair right now. I love the color. This is a T-part lace wing, and in 26 inches, and the color, I think the color is ROT4 slash no ROT4 to 86E. So I'm just gonna leave it on the screen so you can see, in case you want to get one for yourself or for your loved ones. Yeah.
Yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going.
So here I'm just taking my hairspray and spray some on my wing, after which I'm going to use my hairbrush to brush my hair, making it look nice and poppy. So you guys, this is going to be all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like hit that like button down there, comment on what you think about this wig and what you want to see next. If you want to see more wig review. Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, I will see you. Always stay beautiful, stay safe, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
No, 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 no. Original. Yeah. Original bad man, mash up the place. Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, yeah. Original bad man.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. Just say yeah, yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true.